I'm Dixon Vaz, Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Cavelossim. आणि चड करून आमी तुका आयज आपयला बिकॉज टू गिव सम क्लॅरिफिकेशन. 2-3 दीस पयले जायते जाणांनी तुमी कवर केल्ले आनी जायते जाणांनी तें पेपरार हाडलेलें आनी न्यूजाचेरय. आनीक हिंगा जायते क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवपाची गरज आसा. सो एज अ सरपंच इज माय ड्युटी एज लॉंग एज पंचायत इज इन द पिक्चर. हे सगळें कितें आनी what is the real issue. Also South Goa collector order is also there for the road which they have asked, because केन्ना land कुमदादी तूं मागता, they have the procedure. So I believe they have followed all the procedure, there is nothing wrong, and I even checked with the Kumdad, they have given the road, and this road as per them also is for public use. Once the road is done, it will be for public. जेन्ना आमकडे येयले परमिशनाकू तेन्ना आमी तांकां दिल्ले एंड वी हैव क्लियरली सेड दैट दिस इज रोड इज फॉर पब्लिक. नाउ as the panchayat have given the permission is clearly mentioned to them, okay, number 18, the proposed road shall be deemed to be for public road. The means of the access, okay, beyond proposed road as per the requirement from the village panchayat to take it further. म्हणजे कितें or road to मुखार वयतलो, panchayat can take for public as long as the panchayat wants. Now number 20, in case of any development construction in that said property, the means, the access for the public till the beach on both sides shall be kept of 5 meters. एक रूल आसा TCP कोणेय कितें तरी थिंगा बांदता, कितें तरी डेव्हलपमेंट करता or construction no matter. First we have put up also the clause panchayat, the road should go all the way to the beach, public access should be built first. The next is, once the road is constructed, okay, the road should be handed over to the panchayat after completion. So these are the clauses. So a public road, थोडे जाण थिंग उलयले ते wrong, कोणिकला private parties, no. So I have just, this is the panchayat clauses and they have accepted, and once the road is done, this road will be for public use. This is no for private. Only thing तांकां जाय म्हूण ते बेगीन मानताय, and they have got necessary documentation. So हिंगा कितें जाता, लोकांक मिसगायड करपाक सांगपाक कितें. See, we are depending on the tourism, we are from the hospitality business. आमकां आमगेले आयज आमकां केडशान कोण वळखता, बिकॉज हॉटेलां आहाय म्हूण आमकां कोण वळखता. So today we have to make sure, आमी already resolution घेतला in the panchayat gram sabha that we are not favoring any housing project, no mega project. आमगे village नो एक मेगा प्रोजेक्ट ना म्हणून खंयचे हावजिंग येयल ना. दुसऱ्या गांवान वचून चोय, दुसऱ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशन चोय, कितू चलता, कितू बिल्डिंग येताय, कितू फ्लॅट्स येताय, कितू हॉटेल येताय, खूंय येताय, थिंगा कांय ना. ओन्ली फकत कावेलोसी दे बीन ट्रायंग. सो आय फील दीस इज अ व्हेरी पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड. तेंगेलो कोण एकलो एडवायझर आहा, तेंगेलो लिडर आहा, तो तेंकां सांगता बाबा थिंग हांव कितें म्हणटा, हांव काम करता जाल्यार तुमच्यान काम हाडपा जायना. सी, दीस रोड हॅज बीन डन as per the regional plan. It is a proposed regional plan. Even TCP have mentioned over there, it is as per the regional plan. The road or road to something new no to private. The road is already proposed on RP 21 for public, and they are doing it all the way down. आता कितें जाता, पंचायत कॅन नॉट स्पेंड सो मच ऑफ मनी. आता कोणी आपणाक जाय जाल्यार बेगीन करता, तो बेगीन करता, बट डजंट मीन that this is private road. It is clearly mentioned the road will be handed over to the panchayat. We have put a clause also, they agreed, and if they are in the future also, they have to give an affidavit. आमी पयलें केल्लो आहा. मुगेलो इश्यू कितें आहा, आमगेलो ही सगळी आमगेली भाटां मुखार आहाय ती आमगे गांवच्या लोकां गेली, आमगेले गांवकार, तेंकाय रस्तो जावो. सो रस्तो गेलो जाल्यार इश्यू कितें आहा, आतां कोणाक बऱ्या पडटा दॅट इज सेकंडरी. सी, म्हाका 3 वर्सां जालीं, व्हडले पुवाड करताले, जाताले ते जाल्यार कितें जालां. We have nothing. We are depending on tourism. We have to make sure that we follow all the rules and regulation. आणि तितून मध्ये काही ना, पण हे दाखवता आसतना कितें करता, इट इज ओनली टू डिफेम डिक्सन. रोड इज अ नेसेसरी. म्हणजे 10 years सांगता तुका हांवें थोडे तुका हें हाडला. मुगेले रोडाकू हांव ऑलमोस्ट 8 रोड करता, मुगेले 3 रोड कंप्लीट जाले. ओके, आय एम नॉट वेटिंग फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट, आय एम नॉट वेटिंग फॉर एनीबडी. आय कॅन, आमी लोकां इश्यू, आमी लोकां प्रॉमिस केला. ही मुगेली लास्ट 2 permission for the road, they have to get permission to cut down the trees. And दुसरे म्हणल्यार this is 100 meters from the main road. It is not even in CRZ. Think one sangta sand dunes kadale. Are to make the road, you have to level the sand, and it is 10 meters away from the mobile outpost next to the police station. So I have just got to give you clarification. Here pade sangtai they are wrong. I want to make it very clear to my people of Cavelossim, especially. I just have bylaws on the message Dixon regarding what it is. I think this road is public. I have done public
project.
See, they have a property. Our people also have properties over there. So we don't know. And as of today, I'm going to as of today, I'm condition. First, do the access road up to the beach. I'm condition and they agreed. So, azam of course, thank the government. 100%.
But what is the project that they are doing?
There is nothing. We don't have anything.
So how?
100%. Panchayat has given the see, Panchayat has given granted license for proposed construction for road as per the regional plan and the survey. See, that's what I'm saying. See, main is that Kumdar lagta. Kumdar is public. So thank stakeholder andil जाल्यार मुखार येता रस्तो. आता मुखार कितें जाता मुखार सोडे लँडलॉर्ड आहाय तेम दिल जाल्यार तो मुखार वरपा जाता तेंक तर जाय जाल्यार सी आता कोणा नाका रस्तो तो करपा न्हू सो आता मेन कितें आहा टू आस्क कुमदार you have to have the procedure न्हू तो आता नॉर्मल पंचायतान केलें जाल्यार आमकां तो आमच्यान करूं जाता बट तो खूब कॉस्ट आहा सो नाव दिस रोड will continue not will stop there we have given and as I said to you I तो पहिला आचून दाखयला
Dixon,
the road should be gone beyond the proposed road as per the requirement of the village panchayat and to the for public use.
But it is leading to the beach.
No, this can lead to the beach. See again, see TCP के लो एक rule किधर आस्था. Whenever there is any kind of development, first you have to leave the access. Before doing anything. So that is my concern. So तो remove करके दे आता. That my 100% as long as I am there, I will make sure that road is gone to the beach first.
Road is proposed on the regional plan.
Regional. As per the regional.
Regional plan से मैं फुड़े में होता.
No होता. तो हम पंचायत कर पाता. See आज किधर था?
This is a proposed road.
It's a proposed. It's a proposed.
Property thing ये नहीं हानी.
Dixon, आमच्या माहितीप्रमाणे ते हॉटेल प्रोजेक्ट किती तरी येवपाक जाय. सो फाल्यां अशें जावपाना मरे की फाल्यां तो रोड आमी बांदला आणि तो आमचो प्रायव्हेट रोड कारण खुबशे हॉटेलांनी आमी पळयले की ते रोड यूज करपा दिना एक्सेस बीचार वचपा दिना.
सी हांवें तुका सांगला आनी तेंकडे कितें कोच जाल्यार एफिडेविट घेवपा जाय. सी we have laid down the clauses and they have agreed to the clauses. You understood? So आमी कितें केला ते पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट धरून केला आनी तूं सांगता सारकें. See, as long as we are in the panchayat, we will make sure public interest is first.
कितें खुबशे हॉटेल्स आसा ती आपले एक्सेसांतल्यान वचपा दिना बीचार.
हॉलिडे इन बांदल्या कितली वर्सां जाली त्या सायडीन रस्तो एक्सेस हांवें केला गेल्या त्या वर्सा थिंग कितें जाता लोकांक बऱ्या पडटा.
ते म्हणटा लिजार घेतला फाल्यां कशें पब्लिकाक दितले तें वचपाक
ना कुमदाजीनी पब्लिक रोड म्हणून गेला रेजोल्युशन. I have checked with the Kumda to the president also that this road will be for public use. No way that I have checked. That's why that I have clarification to paila. I see unfortunately I cannot get their documents, but I have seen they have taken a resolution. This road will be for public use. It is not for private.
Only public road
No, see, you have written this. Once the road is ready, okay, it will be handed over to the panchayat after completion.
As a Sarpanch, Dixon, as a Sarpanch, you will take initiative to display a board that this road is for public use.
100%. See, there is road down there. No, Jalbuti सांगता नो.
ना आता रोड करपा लागले आता बोर्ड घालपा ना.
अरे all roads are public only.
ना बोर्ड कित्याक घालना.
तो हुई बंद केला रस्तो कोणी.
ना घालपा ना पब्लिक रोड म्हणून कित्याक लोकांनी कळटले की बाबा हो पब्लीक रोड म्हणून
We can do that, public road. But see, at Kizata Zalna, no, so as I said,
रस्तो करता न्ही ते म्हणून
once
थंय
the road is
बोर्ड
constructed,
घालपाक
they will hand over to the panchayat. So once the panchayat is in possession, that means it's public. There is to जाय जाल्यार घालपा the board. But as I said to you, आमकडे clause हाय तू घालना, तेका लागून तुका सांगता.
कोण बांधता रस्तो
Saint Michael.
ते-
Saint Michael.
ते-
Yeah.
ते-